Howdy ho guys, going to show you real quick how to get rid of green screen from an effect, or you don't want to record and use green screen. We're going to show you how to remove it in Premiere Pro. So let's go. Here we are in Premiere Pro. I've just got a random video playing in the background. Now I'm going to go get one of my green screen effects I use. This is a VHS Plus effect. Cool. Now we've got this in here. I'm going to drag this onto my timeline. Cut it off at the end. We don't need that extra. Just scale it up so it fits. There we go. Wonderful. Now we need to get effects, which is here for me. Now if you don't have it, you want to go to window and you want to scroll down until you find effects. Got that enabled. Awesome. Now once you're in effects, you want to type in key, go to the bottom here where it says ultra key, drag that onto your green screen effect, or if it's you, footage of you, then drag it onto that video. My bad. Now scroll down where you got ultra key, it says key color, grab the eyedropper tool. Now don't just click anywhere, make sure you click somewhere where the green screen is, or the green effect, not on you or not on any of this fuzziness that's going on right now. So we're going to select right there. Got. Now we're going to watch this, see what it looks like. Oh, there you go. That's how easy it is to remove a green screen or remove the green effect from a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So until next time, I'll see you all later.